Man, people be snoring in the middle of test rooms, and it'd be hilarious when they wake up so confused, acting like why everybody's staring at them, because they don't even know that they were snoring in their sleep. And it's crazy because they always gonna just imagine the fact that they were just sleeping quietly. Just imagine you sitting in a test room and somebody just snoring loud, and then everybody in the class staring at them, even a teacher staring at them, waking them up constantly, but they go back to sleep still snoring, and then they gotta stay up because the teacher ain't gonna let you go back to sleep disturbing other people. But like, dang, it'd be hilarious when people just be like snoring so loud and everybody staring at them, and you trying not to laugh at them because then the teacher gonna pull you out and give you the talk.